And let us also look at the inflection of neuter nouns. Well, the same thing, 4 forms. Let us start with et vindu. Et vindu means a window. Definite form, vindue. So we took the et and put it in the end, got definite singular form. By the way, we don't normally pronounce the t in the ending of definite neutral nouns. Vindue. Vinduer for plural and vinduene for definite plural. Et eple. Eple. Note sound. Epler. Eplene. But here is something very, very important to remember. Et glass. Et glass is a neutral noun which only has one syllable, one vowel in the word glass. Glasse in definite singular, but plural form will be just glass. Et glass, mange glass. And glassene. So pay attention to the neuter nouns that only have one syllable. They will have the same form in plural. Let me give you some more examples of those nouns. Et bord, you see it is neutral, et, and just one vowel, o. Et bord, mange bord. One table, many tables. Et skap, mange skap. A cupboard, many cupboards. Et fjell, mange fjell. A mountain, many mountains. Et land, mange land. A country, many countries. Et språk, mange språk. A language, many languages. Et kurs, mange kurs. A course, many courses. Et hus, mange hus. A house, many houses. But, of course, et sted, mange steder. So just remember that it is an exception.